Hey, this is Jimmy Beach with a quick tip video from Alien Skin Software. In this video, I'll show you how to achieve a striking spot color effect in exposure. Spot color, or selective color, is an editing technique that converts a color photo to black and white, with a select area of the photo retaining its original coloring. This strongly directs the viewer's attention to the color part of the photo. Making a spot color effect in exposure is easy to do. First, we need to change our color image to black and white. I'll use one of Exposure's black and white film presets to handle the conversion. Next, we need to change the blend base setting. By default, when you apply a black and white preset, Exposure uses a black and white blend base. For our spot color effect, we want the color of the original image to be revealed when we apply brushing, so I'll set the blend base to color. Now let's apply the spot color effect with the brush tool. I'll open the brushing panel and select the eraser brush. Erasing will remove the black and white effect from the areas I brush. Exposure's keyboard shortcuts help make the brushing process smooth. The mouse wheel adjusts the brush size. Holding Shift and scrolling the mouse wheel adjusts the brush feather. Holding Command and scrolling the mouse wheel adjusts the flow. When you're zoomed in, hold the space bar to pan. When the space bar is pressed, the cursor arrow changes to a hand. Use that to quickly navigate around your photo. If you overbrush, you can hold the Alt or Option key to switch from erasing to brushing. Then simply paint over areas where you erased too much. Once you're happy with your brushing, you're all done. If you'd like, you can continue experimenting with other creative options, like adding a color preset or a vignette. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't used Exposure yet, head over to alienskin.com and download the free trial.